Pneumatic clamps. Are they just expensive, or are they truly convenient? Looking at the catalog prices, they cost significantly more than eccentric clamps. Before buying, you should probably consider how often you'll use them and whether saving time and gaining comfort is worth the extra cost. The main fundamental difference from classic clamps is that you don't have to walk up to each one to lock and unlock it, especially when they are spaced 3 meters apart. Pneumatic clamps will securely hold both sheet material and solid lumber with the pressure that you set yourself, from 80 to 160 kilograms. Even at 80 kilograms, it's nearly impossible to budge the workpiece, as it stays firmly locked to the sliding table. Edge processing plays a vital role in my work, with widths ranging from 5 to 50 centimeters. It is absolutely critical that the edge is milled perfectly across its entire length, and this is where pneumatic clamps offer their most significant advantage. The sliding table has a T-slot where you move your clamps. This single slot is the only limitation to their use. If you're working without a cross-cut fence, you simply adjust the rear clamp according to the length of your workpiece. However, if you are using the fence, you can place one clamp before it and the second one after. This is the only way to secure the piece when processing the ends. My machine has a built-in spindle shaper. By lowering the saw blade and moving the overhead extraction hood aside, my machine transforms into a powerful and precise shaper. It comes with a shaper fence that has a very cleverly designed locking system. There is a dedicated hole in the machine bed where the fence sits securely, ensuring a perfect 90-degree alignment relative to my sliding table fence. Once the shaper fence is installed, there is absolutely zero play. This means that once the shaper fence is installed, I know the geometry of the processed edge will be perfectly accurate relative to the angle I've set on the sliding table. The main advantage of using pneumatic clamps here is that even if, for some reason, the 90-degree alignment between the shaper and the table isn't perfect, or if I can't lean against the cross-cut fence, the clamps grip the workpiece so powerfully that I don't have to worry about the quality of the cut along its entire length. All I need to do is press the workpiece against the shaper fence, lock it with the clamps, and the job is practically done. All that's left is to glide the workpiece through the cutter using the sliding table. In the example shown here, I milled one end while leaning against the cross-cut fence, but for the second end, I only referenced the shaper fence and secured it with the pneumatic clamps. As you can see, both ends are milled with identical precision. If you work every day and process a large volume of material, these clamps have a clear advantage over standard ones. The difference in price is quickly offset by the time you save on securing your workpieces. It's important to remember that using these clamps requires proper air preparation from your compressor. Installing an air preparation unit to remove dust and moisture is a must, as the lifespan of your cylinders depends on it. While I'm waiting for my Festool unit to arrive, I'm using a simpler air treatment setup for now.